For constructing a shirt, you will need the following measurements: neck circumference, height, bust circumference, hip circumference, shirt length. You determine it yourself. Sleeve length, sleeve width at the hem, and cuff width. Measure down the shirt length. Divide the neck circumference by 6 and add 1 cm. Draw a perpendicular line of 2 cm. Shape the neckline fold. Draw a line from the bottom point. This is the shirt hem. Find the waist by dividing the height by 4. Draw a line from this point. This is the waistline. Divide the segment in half. This point marks the bust line. Measure down 16 cm from the waistline. Draw a line from this point. This is the hip line. Calculate the shirt width. Divide the hip circumference by 4 and add 5 cm. Draw a line from the bust point. This is the bust line. Draw a line through the hip line point. Calculate the back width. Divide the bust circumference by 6 and add 2 cm. Mark the measurement on the bust line. Draw a line from this point. Draw a line through the 2 points. This is the shoulder line. Measure down from the top point along the shoulder line. This is the sleeve length. Mine is 65 cm. Divide the segment between the bust line and the waistline in half. Draw a perpendicular down. The length of the perpendicular equals the wrist circumference. Connect the 2 points with a curved line. You can make the armhole deeper if you prefer. Measure from the top point, 21 to 27 cm. This determines how dropped the shoulder will be. Draw a perpendicular. Shape the armhole with a curved line. Shape the yoke. Length is 15 to 17 centimeters. Draw a straight horizontal line to the armhole. Mark the back pleat. Measure 2.5 to 3 centimeters to the side from the bottom of the yoke. Mark the cuff slit. The length is 8 to 10 centimeters. Measure up 5 to 7 centimeters from the hem. Shape the new hemline.